It's so good, I need to let Dixon try. It's damn good, bro. Got or not? Got stupid good or not?
Stupid good. Wow, bro, flavor cows, yeah.
Yeah, very rich, very rich.
Yeah.
Today I'm making tamarind butter prawns served with rice and a fried egg, zi char style. It's gonna be bomb. A bit too soap, huh? Quick hack, use a masher. Extract all the flavor. I'm not adding a lot of water because I want the stock to be really concentrated. Gonna hit it with our magic prawn stock. And then 3 tablespoons of tamarind paste. I'm gonna turn down the heat very small and slowly add the butter.
Is there a technique to this?
Vermouth. You wanna keep mixing this continuously while the cold butter melts, and then it will get beautifully emulsified. Okay. Thank you. If you like watching our channel, like, share and subscribe and let me know what you want me to make next.